got my third brick glue box, and this is April, and I'm gonna review my third brick glue box. And I know I did it. Something. Can you help me?
Yeah, and I think.
But I ripped the tape already. I ripped the tape already. Thanks. Okay, we got a brick glue pat, a brick glue stand, a brick glue jet, and a brick glue figure, a brick glue thingamajiggy, and a brick glue blow block. That's all we have. Wait, we have more stuff out today. And first thing we'll start with is with the hat. It has no craggle. Okay. Put that to the side. And then, yeah, it's kind of big. And here is the jet I'm gonna make. There. And right here I have the minifigure. First we're having the minifigure. It fell. Did you get pieces?
How many pieces fell?
A lot, I think.
Maybe just the one.
Trying to find more.
So what does the minifigure come with?
Comes with feet and this, whatever this is. Can you get that? Honey, I'm missing one blue hand. Missing one blue hand. One blue hand.
Let's see.
This is it. And what is this? I don't know what that is. I don't know what right there.
And that's a brick loop guy?
This is a brick loop minifigure.
That's pretty cool. So this magazine is for?
Yeah, for like the brick glue.
Mm-hmm. So what do we have? What's inside?
We have a jet, a playhouse, and this, and also the minifigure.
I see.
I don't want to forget that.
Of course. What does the minifigure do?
Oh no.
You don't know.
What is this, Mom?
What sport is he playing, do you think?
That's this. Thingamajiggy.
Do you know what that thingamajiggy is called?
A bat.
A bat. That's right.
How do you put this on?
What is it?
This.
Is it his glove?
Yeah, glove.
Okay.
His glove. See?
Let's see.
See how to do.
Oh, you figured it out?
Nope.
Still didn't figure it out yet?
I think he stands right here. Let's do a port.
Okay, I'll figure this out.
And when my mom figures it out, I'm gonna build the jet. It has no numbers on it because the other ones, the real ones, have thingamajiggies on them. Call them thingamajiggies because I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, you slide it on his hand.
Oh,
See?
just slide it on.
Yeah, there. Now it's a little glove.
Now I'm gonna put the ball in there. Okay. Or just throw the snaps on. the minister on the report. Here, let me put it right there. Like that. Okay, just open this. Actually, I'm not gonna open this right now. I'll just open it for you guys. What is in here is, I do not know what's in here, but I'll make sure to be careful and be open.
It's recording right now.
Mom,
Yes?
how do you open this Lego bag?
I was looking for scissors just now, but I don't see them. So,
Give me this. And that's lock.
what is that, Chef? What sport is he playing?
Baseball.
Baseball. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna build this
All of that sound is going to be recorded.
section.
Do you want me to pause it while you build, Gavin?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be back soon. Bye. I started to build the jet, but I can build 3 things, but I only wanted to build the jet. So, here is the jet. I have an extra box. And I want to build this right now.
What is that called? Can you tell what that is?
This is called
La Petite.
La Petite Flower Shop.
That's right.
And I'm going to build it right now. So, see you in a minute. Okay, finished my flower shop. And I think that's all for today. Actually, that's not all for today. It's just a glue stick. And when my mom's opening it, I'm going to show you all the cards you gave me. You gave me this white one, this yellow one, the cactus one, and the space one. And also, the man opening his red sword. And this one is actually going to be cool, I think. Doesn't actually work right now.
Did you pull the plastic thing out?
No.
See that little plastic tab?
Oh.
That's.
Key?
Did you get it? Yeah. Yeah, that keeps the battery from working.
Oh, look, it does.
Whoa, you want to turn the light off for you?
This does. This means colors. Okay. So we have today And for my first Big Cube box, I'll see you in that.